Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the system colors on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So in order to do that, the first thing that we should do is head to the settings. After opening settings, we need to go to personalize, and finally here we have colors. So tap on colors, and now we can adjust the colors used in the system. So we have several options. As you can see, we also have the preview at the top. We can also pick the color picker, and then we can, let's say, choose the palette, and then we can select our own color. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then we can save it, and there we go. We have now our own color. We can also go back to the color picker, and we can choose gallery, and from the gallery we can select the photo, and then we can pretty much try to select the area of our photo. So we can of course still swipe through the photo. So this is like picking the color from a picture, and if you manage to we can just simply tap on the preview image in order to select the area, so it will be based on the circle, and then we can tap save. We also have wallpaper colors. So they are based on the wallpaper that we have. Unless you have a live wallpaper from TikTok, let's say, then it doesn't get it from there. We can also scroll down to get themed icon. So we can tap the slider in order to apply the color, or at least it seems to be not really working, but it seems to be the better version. But it seems to be compatible with the theme that we have set. But still, I guess we can change that by changing the theme. So that's about it. Once we are done with the changes, we can tap save, and it should be done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.